No more staring at a blank screen, wondering where to start. Want to know which AI tool creates presentations so well that you'll think you hired a professional designer? Watch until the end to find out. And that's not all. I've got a secret tip to unlock even more value from these free tools. So stay tuned to learn how to leverage the power of AI for your next presentation. Welcome to TechWhoop, and let's get started. I'll start with Gamma AI and show you how to create presentations using Gamma AI's free tool. First, go to their website and sign up with your Google account. Once logged in, select Presentation from the options. Now type the topic you want your presentation on, for example, Technology and Student Achievement in Mathematics. Gamma will process this and give you an outline with slides like Introduction, Define the Role of Technology in Education, Integrating Technology in Mathematics Curricular, etc. Review the outline. If you like it, click Continue. The AI will automatically generate your presentation slides with relevant text and images. You can customize the design, formatting, layout, and visuals. When done, export the presentation as a PowerPoint file to use offline. It's that simple. This AI tool makes creating professional presentations much easier without manual effort. Our next free tool is MagicSlides, an add-on for Google Slides. Since it's easy to convert Google Slides to PowerPoint files, let's check out MagicSlides. To get access, go to MagicSlides.app and install the extension for Google Slides. When you open a blank Google slide, click Extensions and you'll see the MagicSlides option there. Click Generate PPT, which will load up a side panel. Like the previous tool, you can enter a topic prompt or paste your text. I'll use Importance of Ecosystems and ask it to generate 7 slides while replacing the existing content. After it processes, we get slides with different layout options and high-quality stock images from Pexels. However, editing is manual, and some images may not perfectly match your content, so always review the AI-generated material carefully. To use this in PowerPoint, go to File, Download, and choose Microsoft PowerPoint. Once downloaded, you can open the PPT and adjust any formatting or design issues. Moving on, you may be familiar with SlidesGo as a source for downloading PowerPoint templates, but they also have their own AI presentation maker tool that I'll test out. Within SlidesGo, click Get Started to create an AI presentation. Type in your general topic, select a writing tone like formal language, choose the number of slides like 7, and pick a template design. I'll go with colorful. Then click Generate. SlidesGo will process and create the presentation slides for you. You'll see different slide layouts with relevant images that can be edited using their side panel, which is similar to Canva. You can change text, add design elements like icons or shapes, and insert images or videos as needed. Once your editing is complete, to get this as a PowerPoint file, click Download File. The PowerPoint option requires a premium plan, but remember, we can transform any PDF to PowerPoint for free. Now, here's the pro tip that I mentioned in the introduction. Did you know that even with some free plans, you can still create impressive presentations? The secret is using the free exports and a little creativity. For example, with some tools like SlidesGo, you can generate a PDF and then convert it to a PowerPoint using a free online tool such as Adobe or I'll Upload a PDF. This lets you use the AI-generated content while still having an editable PowerPoint file. The next tool I'm going to use is Simplified. Simplified is a multifunctional AI tool with lots of different things you can generate, but today I'll focus on the presentation maker. Once you've signed into a free Simplified account, go to the design space and click Generate with AI, and then generate an AI presentation. Similar to the other tools, type in your presentation topic. Simplified has some advanced options. You could adjust the creativity level and choose the number of results to generate. Leave the language as English. Next, choose a template design to get started from the provided options. I'll go with this one and click Generate. Simplified will process and present you with slides containing generated information on your topic. In this case, 11 slides on the importance of ecosystems. You can change the template design from the side panel, edit the text, and add different media options like images, icons, shapes, etc. While the basic templates can feel repetitive, Simplified has a huge library of elements to mix things up. One cool feature is the built-in AI image generator, which allows you to create custom images perfectly tailored to your presentation content. With the free option, you get 10 credits that can be used to generate AI images or export files. Since PowerPoint Export is a premium feature, I'll again export our presentation as a PDF using those free credits. Then you can convert that PDF into a PowerPoint file using any free online tool, giving you a fully editable AI-generated presentation deck. Next, I have SlidesAI, which creates presentation slides with AI in seconds. Let's test it out. To use SlidesAI, you must first install the app from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Once installed, head over to Google Slides and create a new presentation. You'll find SlidesAI under the Extensions tab. Choose it and click Generate Slides. A dialog box will appear where you can enter your topic text. Let's use the solar system and select 8 slides before clicking Generate for this example. Under the Themes tab, you can choose from available themes or customize your own design by selecting fonts and colors. And just like that, you're ready. It took only 48 seconds for SlidesAI to generate 8 slides on the given topic. However, compared to other AI slide makers, the content is quite brief and the images don't always match well. While SlidesAI shows potential, it may not currently be the most impressive tool on the market. The AI-generated slides require quite a bit of manual editing to make them truly informative and visually appealing presentations. But it's still a handy free tool to quickly get a set of baseline slides you can build upon. At least you don't have to start from a blank canvas. If you're looking for a tool to generate more detailed content, we finally have SlidesGPT. SlidesGPT is a website that offers AI presentation creation. With its free plan, you can create unlimited presentations, easily share them, and access basic design templates. You can upgrade to the $2.50 per download premium plan for more advanced features. The user interface is straightforward. When creating a presentation, simply enter the topic and select a white or colored theme. However, there are only 2 color options and no way to choose the number of slides. For example, I chose the solar system as my topic and clicked on the Create deck. My presentation took 4 minutes and 20 seconds, the longest wait of all the tools I tested. Once generated, the presentation is automatically saved to your Google Slides. The content is detailed and informative, with footnote citations at the bottom of each slide, making the notes practical for presenting. It generated 13 slides in total. Unfortunately, the free version is view-only, so we can't directly edit the slides. However, it can serve as excellent inspiration, and you can find similar free images on sites like Unsplash to recreate the presentation yourself with edits. The second last AI PowerPoint generator on my list is Pitch AI. To start using Pitch, enter a prompt and click Start with AI. Enter your email and click Continue with Email. Once you complete the sign-up process, the presentation will be generated and a preview of all the slides will load. Here, you can change the color scheme in the font family. You can edit the prompt and generate a new presentation if you want to explore other ideas. Click Start Editing to view the presentation in edit mode. Go through the slides and make changes where necessary. In addition to its impressive design capabilities, Pitch allows you to export to PowerPoint format easily. Open the menu, select Export Presentation PowerPoint and click Export Presentation. This gives you the full presentation downloaded directly as an editable PowerPoint file, and I'm impressed with the quality Pitch produces. If you decide to try out the free version, just be sure to give credit to pitch.com as required. The last AI PowerPoint generator, SendSteps, claims to help with writing, design, and storytelling all together. You just need to provide a topic. Once logged in, enter your topic of interest, such as the history of AI, and click the forward arrow. Then you will be asked a series of questions about what you want to create, language choice, and tone of voice. In the step 4, it automatically generates presentation title suggestions based on your topic. You can generate more options or enter your own title. When done with titles, select the desired presentation length and number of slides. Then click Generate My Presentation. After processing for a few seconds, you'll have a presentation on your topic ready to go. You can change the layout theme and add more slides or speaker notes. When ready to present, go to the Play section and select Play Presentation to start a slideshow in your browser. There is an option to export the presentation to PowerPoint format, but this export feature is unavailable on your current free plan. However, you can still leverage SendSteps AI's impressive automated presentation building capabilities for free with the slides viewable in your browser seamlessly. Pro tip: want to add a custom touch to your AI-generated slides but the free plan limits edits? No problem. Here's a sneaky trick. Use the free features to brainstorm ideas and generate a solid structure for your presentation. Then export the slides as images and import them into a free design software like Canva. This lets you customize the design and add your personal touch for free. That's all, but before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll be sharing more tech tips and tricks to make your life easier. Leave a comment below and let me know which AI presentation tool you're excited to try the most.